Hi everybody, Keith Best here. This video I'm just going to go over something what's happened with the Elementor update that's just come out. It's Elementor update, I can't remember what it is. It's something like 2.9.11. Basically what it does, it messes up if you have Xfields in the buttons. As you can see, I've got two on here because I've been playing. But if you look at this one, which is my newest one, if you look down the bottom corner down here, you'll see that it goes to tel colon 727. But then if you look at this one, which is the original one, it goes to tel %5B Xfield phone number %5D. And that's because what's happening is Elementor is taking the open square bracket and the closed square bracket and convert it to its ASCII characters, which is obviously not good for us because when it converts it to ASCII characters, then Magic Page plugin can't do it. So what I've done, it's a bit of a pain in the backside until we get it fixed, but it's more for, if you haven't updated the Elementor, then I would just leave it. If you do update, then either restore or backup, or what you can do, if you haven't got many buttons, I mean, I've only got 2 buttons on this page, and probably about 2 on a few others, so it's not going to take us a huge amount of time to change it. It's a pain in the backside, yeah, but it's not going to take a huge amount of time. So all you need to do, and all the code what I'm going to show you, I'm going to put below this video, so all you have to do is slightly change it. If you've got this theme, which I give away anyway, you'll already have the code because it's all I'm going to use. So the code is that in your CSS, I'll just drop back a level so you know. So you go into your customize, and if you're using generated pressure, you'll have this additional CSS. You should have it in the other themes, or it might be somewhere else depending on what you're using. But basically you want to be additional CSS. Just add that, and then you put this code in, which is what I'm going to give you in the actual thing. It's this content button, this button stuff mainly. I'll put all this in so that you've got it. That's where you change the background color of the button. Like if I change that to, I'll just make a copy of that so I don't forget what it is. But if I change that to, let's say 00FFCC, yeah, it changed to a horrible green. Yeah, so that's where you change the color of the button. That's all about that. And I would just, that's for the border radius, that makes the actual corners. So all you would do, say you wanted them a bit more round, you would just change that to 45 pixels or 55 or, you know, whatever you want. Can't remember what was on. Padding is obviously just for the padding inside the button for how far the content's away. Oh, this is the color for the text. So we've got it right there. We could have it red. You can use certain color, or like I say, you can put one of these ones in using the proper hex codes. There's just certain color which are already designated if you use them. Put that back to white. So you got white smoke. Let's see what white smoke looks like. Yeah, I'll say white smoke for now for change. Obviously that's text align center. There's no decoration, which means no underlines, anything like that. Inline block, just leave that as it is. Obviously your font size you can change if you want, which will change the size of your button. So we could change that to 28, makes it huge. If we just do it to 20, well 208 is not a good idea. 20 will do something like that. And then there's just the margin, and obviously cursor. That just, when your cursor goes over, it becomes a pointer. Okay, so most of them you can just leave, just change the colors, and obviously, if you know what you're doing, change what you need. Now we've messed with that, we'll save it. So we've got that, so all we need to do is where we've got these buttons now, is change them basically. So I'll show you on the one below, because I've got, like I say, I've got two on here. Yeah, where am I gone? So we've got this button, and all it's got, we go into text, is there. I've put the align center on, because that's where I want it. Obviously, if you want to have it left or right or whatever, that's up to you. And then I've got my Xfield phone number in there. I've got it as the classes call now button, which basically means it will use that CSS. I've got my phone, and then basically I've got my text with my Xfield phone number at the end, and then my button. So all I'm going to do is copy that. Like I say, this will be in the underneath this video. Scroll down to the bottom and come to here. And all I'm going to do is do an add text editor, put that in, go into text and space that in. I'm sure why it's come out a different color. Very strange. Never mind. We've done that. So now we want this other one. So if I just do again the text editor. Come on then. Well, you know what? Tell what will be even easier. Decide to do it now and messing us about. You just duplicate that one. And then what we can do is just edit this one in here and just change that to call today. Get rid of that, and that'll do. So we've got them. So just before I do anything else, I'm just going to check them. Oh, no, what I haven't done. I've got two here because I want the long one when it's on a desktop or a tablet, but then I want this small one when it's on a phone. So what I need to do is into there, into advanced, into responsive, and hide that one on mobile. And then into there, into advanced, into responsive, hide that one on desktop, hide that one on tablet. And then update. And there we go, that one's updating. So that was the ones I had before. So we've now got these ones, which should work out right. So yeah, that's got tel 727 in, and that's got percent verb, because I was trying other stuff before that. I was trying with the verbatim and that didn't work. So I can go back into here. Now I know these work, I can get rid of these ones. I can get rid of that one. Scroll back up. That one's that one. Delete the wrong one there. Delete that one. And then update that. And we should just have the one button now, and it should be the right color and everything. Yep, there we go. Can't ask for free code 727. Yep. Free code 727. Okay, so that's basically how you do it if you change them and you've got these buttons. I haven't found anything else because obviously that's still working right, which uses Xfields. That's still working right, which is using Xfields. Everything's spinning fine. So at this moment in time, as you know, I use a lot of Xfields. So, but it just seems that when you're using things like buttons, that's where it's going to fall over. Okay, hope that's helpful, guys. See you later. Bye.